Right, beautiful day. What I've just done is cut out the rust. Not this bit yet, I'll tackle that after. On the rear tailgate, the Squareback, just before it goes next week. Yep, safety glasses, ear defenders, mask, and all sorts. Keep me nice and safe. What it is, bit of metal, bent up. They've had a rubber strip. Let's see here, look. Just to join it together. I'm going to clean all this up next. And weld in a few little patches. I've got a NOS tailgate at my unit, but I won't be going down that road yet. So, he's off next week, this one. More to come on that. Just want to get him a little bit more solid. Beautiful. He's got to go next week. Oh, I did change the wheel. Because it had a big split in him, didn't he? That's all changed. It's going next week. Oh, yeah, quickly show you the wheel. Old wheel. And it had that horrible split. Where is he? He's on here. Oh, it's the other side. There. Where is he? You can see it, can you? Oh, there he is. Yeah. Trash. Right. Bring you back when I've done a little bit more. Right, beautiful day. What I've just done is cut out the rust. Not this bit yet, I'll tackle that after. On the rear tailgate, the Squareback, just before it goes next week. Yep, safety glasses, ear defenders, mask, and all sorts. Keep me nice and safe. What it is, bit of metal, bent up. They've had a rubber strip. Let's see here, look. Just to join it together. I'm going to clean all this up next. And weld in a few little patches. I've got a NOS tailgate at my unit, but I won't be going down that road yet. So, he's off next week, this one. More to come on that. Just want to get him a little bit more solid. Beautiful. He's got to go next week. Oh, I did change the wheel. Because it had a big split in him, didn't he? That's all changed. It's going next week. Oh, yeah, quickly show you the wheel. Old wheel. And it had that horrible split. Where is he? He's on here. Oh, it's the other side. There. Where is he? You can see it, can you? Oh, there he is. Yeah. Trash. Right. Bring you back when I've done a little bit more. Right, a few days later, back on the Squareback. Rough few days, but I think Chad Hiltz and Jolene today left a message on my Facebook page. Really appreciate that. And yeah, get back on the projects. Do what? Yeah, right. Also want to thank Benton, Dan the Man, Patrick Scanlon, Martin, St Hildas, Craig Hanglon, Mark Dunnington, just checking up on me. Always well. No, but no. Welded that panel up the other day. Took off all the loose rust this morning. Put rust converter on. Then a bit of paint. Patch. Then I seam seal right along the edge like it did in the factory. And the same on that side. So today I'm hoping to get the tailgate finished. And also tackle this surface rust. Dig all that out and just fiberglass fill it. Paint it. That's all I'm doing. So I've got Nuss one, but get some jobs done. Because he's off next week. More to come on that. Beautiful. Hour or so later. Made that piece. Started to cut out the rot on the outside. I can add it in, open it and shut it without any rust dropping down now. Beautiful. Hitbox welder, superb. Just show you a bit. Tacked all along there. See the perfect penetration. Guys, this is a gas, using gasless MIG on this Hitbox 2002. Wow, so impressed. So impressed. That's the settings. Flashy. Bloody bang on. Christ. Right. I'll leave a link in the description for the old welder. But show my support of Hitbox. I only went and bought another welder. This one's for the workshop. It's the next model up. See it through the door. It's BMX. It's a MIG 250. I'll leave a link in the description. Hitbox, brilliant sponsor of the home channel. Absolutely fantastic. But yeah, let's crack on with a little bit of welding. I'll put you on the stand. Didn't want to film much, I just want to crack on. Let's put you back here. Appreciate you watching. Where are you gonna go? Yeah, appreciate all you watching, subscribers, and all that. You ain't gonna see much. I'll just do a couple spots and yeah. I'm going to need some clamps now. So all I'm doing is just tacking it down. No rust. Just tacking it down. Then I'll put skimmer filler on top. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to crack on with that. Hitbox superb. Right, on to day 3. Beautiful repair. I'm going to put some filler if I've got time today on the top. Beautiful repair. That was hard, that making that panel. What have I got here? Just made this one up to go into there. Just pulled out a chunk of rust there. So again, cut it all back, take all this away, rust treat it. Little bit inside. Finish that bit off and tackle that. Sheesh. No more rattling rust. Right, let's check out this panel. All welded up. Like I said, just tacked on. Got some seam sealer on the way. Then I'll fill it. Seam seal all that. This I'm going to weld. Just tack weld again. Shuts up you. No rust. Booty. Right. Right, next day, I think, what are we on? Day 3. Just smacked some, well, first it was seam sealer. That arrived just in time to put that on last night. Then I used the U-Pole Easy One body filler. Split is looking good. Quick peek. Done that step. Finally. Right. Sun ain't going to come out for another hour or so. But the filler's dried lovely jubbly. I think this one's going Thursday or Friday now. Filler. Filled on top. What I may do, well, Mrs. Cook will reckon, paint along here. Something different, maybe the dark brown. Rub all that down in a bit. Bit of primer. Job's a good one.
Welcome to sunny Plymouth. Just thought I'd come out and have a little look over Mr. Coco's work. Mr. VW Coco. He's been out here a couple of days, doing a blinking good job. Just to let you know, guys, he will be putting a wish list up. He will put the link in the description. Not too bad. I reckon it could just do with a little bit of a paint. Right.
Did someone say paint? Did someone say paint, madam?
Hello, Bob.
Did someone say paint? What needs painting?
Just up there. Coco's nipped out for a bit.
Just so happened to be, I've got some paint. Yeah, the last time I've seen it, there's nothing left of this.
Done a good job, hasn't he?
This is a good trunk lid.
Awesome.
Good trunk. Right, let me just do my magic. I always carry my brushes around, so you never know when you need it. I've been here a couple times to see VW Coco. I'll just give it a quick little dabble. Little dabble there, that's beautiful. Little dabble. Don't matter if it runs, it looks like it's a bit ratty.
Cracking job there, Bob.
No mask needed. The wind's going southwesterly, so
Towards the trees.
alright, I think that'll do for this I'll send a bill to Video with Coco.
Thank you very much.
And with that, I'm off.
Thanks, Bob.
Right, just got to wrap this video up. Spent a few days repairing the deck lid. Oh wow, see some more paint on there. Hey, I didn't do that. Look how well it shuts. Got the shape of it well. I'll be doing another video next couple of days, because he's off ski. More on that. Appreciate everyone watching. Love this car, but needs must and all that. Oh, thanks to Mrs. Coco. She cleaned out all the car today inside. Looking pretty good. Give it a little bit of wash before it goes. But that deck lid was nothing left of it. That's metal, bit of filler underneath. Yeah. Right. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, comment, subscribe. Nearly at 900 subs. Brilliant. Alright. See you on the next one.